Hi, this is Brandy with Alabama Technology in Motion, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Schoology and how to set up your course. So, in the elementary world, typically Power School will have a self contained elementary teacher with a homeroom course and then multiple course shells, meaning that that teacher will also have a course called reading, math, science, social studies, anything that would be pulled over from Power School will create a course shell. So those teachers are going to need to think about that setup. So, ignoring the homeroom course right now, we're just going to jump right into this elementary science course and think about how we want to set that up. So, typically for remote learning, you're going to want to divide this into weeks. So, when I go to add materials, I'm going to choose add a folder. And I can call this week 1. And you might even put the dates out here so that students are clear what week it is. And you can put a little bit of instruction here. This is please check each daily folder inside. Okay, and once I'm done, I'm going to click create. So now I have this folder. And I can then click inside of that folder and go ahead and add additional folders. So these would be my daily folders. So this one would be Monday. If you wanted to, you could make each of these days a different color. A lot of people color code in different ways, so that would be totally up to you. Or you can just leave it as it is, blue. And I'm going to create. So within that Monday folder, I would start adding my resources. All right, so I'm going to follow these breadcrumbs and go back to the top of my course, elementary science. So I have 1 week, and within that week, I have a day. Now, my recommendation, continue adding your days Monday through Friday. Once you've done that, and you have this entire week folder set up and ready to go, then you're going to go over here to this gear and you're going to say save to resources. You'll choose where you want that resource to be saved. And so now you have a weekly folder that already has all of the day folders populated. Okay, so that is significant because now, so let's imagine this is completely done, but I've saved it in resources. I don't have to create week 2 and all the days. I can simply go to add materials, import from resources, and because Schoology always puts things at the bottom, I go to the very bottom, check, and import. Now I simply go to the gear and change it from week 1 to week 2 and save the changes. Now notice there are my daily folders, and I only have the one created there, but I've got all those daily folders ready to go. So at the top of my course, I would just continue to import resources and update that week number, and it's going to save a lot of time. So here is an example of a course that I have set up, and under reading, I did that very same process. So all of these, it was a simple import resources, and now each one already has all the daily folders in it. So I hope this will be helpful to you, and watch for more ATM tips on Schoology.